Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Brianna, and today I am doing a video that's a little bit different. Today I am going to do this recipe for the first time, and it's from this keto cooking book. I actually bought this from Dollar Tree. But what I will be making is these chocolate peanut butter balls. I am so excited to try this just because they look so delicious, and I hope this really turns out. I'm going to read you next the ingredients. So you'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, half a cup of natural smooth peanut butter, 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 cup of keto-friendly dark chocolate chips. Next, in a medium bowl, we're going to put the 8 ounces of cream cheese. I already put it in there. It was just in a package, and that's the easiest way, of course. Half a cup of peanut butter, and then the 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and we'll save, how much was it? The 2 tablespoons for a different step. As you see, I've put everything together like this. Oh yeah, and you add the pinch of salt to this. And then next, with an electric hand mixer, you'll mix everything together. I'm not going to videotape that because it's really, really loud, but usually first what I do is I hand mix it a little, like I take a fork or a spoon, and that's just easier on me. Once it's all mixed together like this, you will put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. While we are waiting for that mixture to harden, I already measured out the 1 cup of chocolate chips, and we'll put it in a bowl like this. And then also, we will measure out the coconut oil, and we will put 2 tablespoons of that in. And then after that, like everything's hardened, we will put that in the microwave for a minute. 30 seconds. I normally do a minute, but we'll see. Since now the mixture is hardened, we will get a baking sheet, put parchment paper on top, and then we'll use about a tablespoon, and then we'll scoop the hard mixture, and then we'll put it on here, and we'll put it in the refrigerator for 5 more minutes. They're in peanut butter balls now. Next step, we're going to put them in the fridge for 5 more minutes. Now that the peanut butter balls are cooling in the refrigerator, now we're going to stick the chocolate chips and the coconut oil in the microwave for 30 seconds. Since all the chocolate is now melted, we're going to now drizzle it on to the peanut butter balls. Sorry if this part is just kind of bad looking. I have no one to help me film. And we'll just go like this and let the chocolate pool. All the chocolate onto the peanut butter balls. Now we put them in the refrigerator for 5 more minutes, and then after that, they are ready to eat. Now that the peanut butter balls are all cooled and hard, it's now time to try one. I am so excited. I am going to try one. This is really good. Oh my gosh. I really recommend trying this recipe. I really enjoyed it. The like mixture inside just sort of like, so the peanut butter and cream cheese just sort of melt in your mouth. And you can actually use crunchy peanut butter because that's what I used. And this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day. Tell me if there's any other like cool recipes you want me to try. Bye.